My grandma looks 35 at 67. Best aloe vera collagen. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever heard that aloe vera is not only a miracle drug for the skin, but also an extremely easy way to make your own moisturizer at home? With just a few simple ingredients, I will reveal to you wonderful skincare, anti-wrinkle and skin recovery recipes from aloe vera. The secret to help your skin stay soft, firm, and youthful every day. You will be surprised by the effectiveness of these skincare steps, which are completely natural and inexpensive. Let's explore with me. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Prepare a glass cup. Pour water almost full. I use a large, juicy aloe vera branch. Soak the aloe vera in water for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, the aloe vera will secrete this yellow sap. Then wash the aloe vera under running water. Aloe vera is the best collagen, regenerates the skin, and provides deep moisture. It also helps to care for the skin very well. Dry the water on the aloe vera. Cut off the sharp thorns on both sides of the leaf. This makes handling the aloe vera safer. Once you have cut it neatly, place the leaf on the cutting board, the belly of the leaf facing up. Use a knife very gently to separate the green skin from the white flesh inside. After separating one side, use a spoon to scrape out the clear gel, which is the precious essence of aloe vera. Do this repeatedly until all the leaves are used up. Cut the gel into small pieces to make it easier to blend. Next, put this gel in a blender to blend it. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. With this method, you will get pure, fresh aloe vera gel. Can be used as a skincare mask, hair gel, or mixed with a drink to cool down and detoxify very well. Aloe vera moisturizes the skin, prevents dehydration, and maintains moisture balance for the skin. Aloe vera helps fight inflammatory factors and improves cellular immunity. Put aloe vera in a sealed glass jar. Aloe vera can be used as a skin moisturizer. Apply every night to the face, hands, neck, and chest area. Close the lid tightly. Store the gel in the refrigerator for up to 3 months. We also store pure aloe vera gel in the refrigerator. Method 2. First, prepare a large, fresh, and juicy aloe vera leaf. The thicker the leaf, the more gel inside, and the easier it will be to get. Then, use a knife to cut the aloe vera leaf in half horizontally for easier handling. Using a knife, gently separate the green skin from the white flesh inside. Don't forget to cut off the sharp thorns on both sides of the leaf. This makes handling aloe vera safer. Once neatly cut, I placed the leaf on the cutting board, the belly of the leaf facing up. After separating one side, I used a spoon to scrape out the transparent gel, which is the precious essence of aloe vera. Do this repeatedly until all the leaves are used up. After collecting the gel, I cut the gel into small pieces to make it easier to blend. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put all the gel in a clean bowl. Next, I put this gel in a blender to puree. You can blend it completely smooth or keep a little bit of the light lump if you want to use it for skin or hair care purposes. With this method, you will get pure, fresh aloe vera gel. Can be used as a skincare mask, hair gel, or mixed with a drink to cool down and detoxify very well. Once blended, pour the gel into a clean bowl and set aside. Now, go back to the green peel that you peeled earlier. Cut this peel into thin strips. Put the sliced aloe vera peel into a clean glass jar. Next, prepare a handful of basil leaves. Put the basil in a large bowl. Pour water in. Wash the leaves so that all the dirt is gone. Take them out and dry them gently with a paper towel. Remove the hard stem, keep only the top and young leaves. Then, put the basil leaves in a wooden mortar and pound them until smooth. Once pounded, put the basil in a glass jar with the shredded aloe vera peel. Add 200 milliliters of vinegar and mix well. Cover the jar tightly. Then cover it with another layer of cloth to keep it dark. Place the jar in a cool, dry, dark place for 21 days to let the mixture ferment naturally. Next, I prepare the gel to use. Cut a fresh lemon in half. Squeeze about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into the previously blended aloe vera gel bowl. Add 5 to 6 drops of vitamin E. Then mix well to create an extremely effective skin and body care mixture. You can use this mixture to gently massage areas with varicose veins, swollen joints, or skin that needs soothing. The mixture helps increase circulation, reduce swelling, and quickly soothe sensitive skin areas. Can be used every day in the evening before bed for best results. Aloe vera gel can be stored in a sealed glass jar. Now pour the gel in the bowl into the jar. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then close the lid. If kept in the refrigerator, it can be kept for about 2 weeks, and if kept in a cool, dark place, it can be kept for up to 6 months. With a completely natural, chemical-free method, your body will soon feel the difference. Lighter, more relaxed, and healthier every day. After 21 days, the aloe vera leaf mixture can be taken out for use. You can apply it to your skin, gently massage it every day to help your skin become healthy, reduce swelling and pain, and soothe your skin. This mixture is especially effective when used to massage your hands, areas with varicose veins or joint pain. You will see changes in your skin and body after a period of perseverance, and your body will thank you for it. If you like this recipe, please leave a heart in the comments and hit the like button to motivate me to share more great tips. Thank you, my dear friends. If you like this recipe, please leave a heart in the comments and hit the like button to motivate me to share more great tips. Thank you, my dear friends. Try one of these tips today, and if you have a better way, don't forget to share it with me. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Your support is what motivates me to continue sharing more great kitchen tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.